Hi students, today we will discuss one of the basic topic, that is atom, element, molecule, compound and ions. In this video, I will explain clearly what is the differences between atom, element, molecule, compound and ion. First of all, we will discuss about the atom. And here the atom is the smallest particle of a matter which may or may not have an independent existence but always take place in a chemical reaction. So atom is the smallest particle of a matter. It is the starting material or the building material to construct any of the matter. And here we will discuss some atoms, like here hydrogen is the atom, and helium also it is the atom, and lithium. So what is there the element in the periodic table? All those are the simplest form. We are call it is the atom. Once again I am repeating, atom meaning the smallest particle of a matter which may or may not have independent existence. Most probable cases atom is dependent and but always take place in a chemical reaction. So atom is take part in the chemical reaction. Okay students, it is about the basic definition of atom. Okay, then next after element. So what is the element? Once you can see here, any substance cannot be decomposed into the similar substance by a chemical reactions are called as the element. Element meaning the any substance we cannot be decomposed into further. For example, here element meaning, and here the hydrogen is an element, and helium is the element, and lithium is the element, and these elements we are not decomposed further. The hydrogen we are not decomposed further, so that it is not possible to decompose that form of the matter. Simply we are called it is the element. Next one is molecule. So what is a molecule? Molecule is the smallest particle of a matter that exists independently and formed by the combination of atom. Molecule meaning molecule is the smallest particle of a matter that exists independently. Atom is dependent character and molecule is the independent character. So molecule is formed by the combination of two or more atoms. For example, molecule, and here molecule meaning two atoms combined together and it will form like a molecule. It is the H2 molecule. And next one, chlorine atom and chlorine atom combined together, it will form chlorine molecule. And bromine atom and bromine atom combined together, it is the bromine molecule. So two atoms or more than two atoms combined together, it will form the molecule, either the same atoms or the different atoms. Next one is the compound. When two or more elements chemically combine, in a fixed ratio by mass, the obtained product is known as the compound. When two or more elements chemically combine in a fixed ratio by mass, the obtained product is known as the compound. For example, compound. For example, water molecule is the compound. In the water molecule, and two hydrogens are combined with the oxygen and it will form the water. So wherever you are going into the universe, the compound containing atoms or the element are the fixed. So this type of the fixed properties containing substances, simply we are called it is the compound. Next one is ions. So what is the ion? Any atom or group of atom that bears one or more positive or the negative electrical charges, those are simply called it is the ions. Any atom or a group of atom that bears one or more positive or the negative charges are called as the ions. Ions are mainly two types. One is the positively charged ions and second one is the negatively charged ions. The positively charged ions are called as the cations and negatively charged ions are called as the anions. Okay students, now we will discuss in details. Now we will discuss about what is the differences between atom and molecule. So here I am taking three examples. One is the helium and second one is the H2 and third one is the water molecule. First one is the He. He stands for it is the helium and H2 is the hydrogen molecule. It is the water formula. And helium, here the helium is composed of atom and each particle of helium is composed of the particle of helium atom. So entire matter of the helium, it is contained about the it is the atom. It is the atom. It is the atomic form. And here in the H2 is the gaseous molecule. H2 is the gaseous molecule. Here the two hydrogens are combined together and here it will form like a molecule. And next one, here it is the water molecule. And the water molecule, two oxygens are chemically combined to form a molecule. So it is the one of the molecular compound. So the difference between the atom and the molecule is nothing but atom is the purest form and two or more atoms are combined together, it will form the molecule. And one more example I am taking here. What is the N2, CO2 and neon and Cl2? What is the N2, CO2, neon and Cl2? So here the N2 is a combination of two same atoms. So it is a molecule and it is the pure and it is the independent. And next one, carbon dioxide. In the carbon dioxide, it is a combination of two different elements, that is the carbon and oxygen. So the carbon dioxide, it may be called it is the molecule or a compound. It is molecule or compound. But the carbon dioxide is the impure. Why? Because it is the combination of two different elements, that is the carbon and oxygen. And neon, and here the neon is the pure and it is the atom. Neon is the atom and the neon is the pure element. And next one, chlorine. And here the chlorine is a molecule and it is a combination of two elements. So the chlorine also pure and it is the molecule. Once you can look at children, in case the native form of the atom, simply we are called it is the element. In case if more than two elements combined together, the formation of the substance simply called it is the molecule. Okay students, next one is differences between atom and ion. Atoms are electrically neutral. Atoms are electrically neutral. That meaning atom it didn't having any positive charge or negative charge. And in the atom the protons and electrons are equal. In the atom the protons and electrons are equal. But whereas in the ions it contain different number of protons and different number of electrons. So protons and electrons are the difference. Whereas in the ions, protons are not equal to electrons. They have the different. For example, here I am taking sodium atom and sodium ion. That is a Na plus, sodium ion. In the sodium atomic number is the 11. Sodium atomic number is the 11 and mass number is the 23. So whenever we are writing the atomic number, always you can write left side down of the element, and the mass number you can write in the top side. Okay, in the sodium, number of protons are the 11 and the mass number is the 23. So already you know that mass number meaning protons plus neutrons is equal to the mass number. Protons plus the neutrons is equal to the mass number. So sodium mass number is the 23. So which information we are getting from by the observing over this symbol? In the sodium, it contain 11 protons. Sodium, it contain 11 protons and 12 neutrons. 12 neutrons. How can we get the neutrons? From the mass number you can reduce the atomic number, we will get the neutrons and 11 electrons. In the neutral atom, number of protons are equal to the number of electrons. Number of protons are equal to the number of electrons. Now we are looking to the ion. In the ion, and here also atomic number is the 11 and the mass number is the 23. Atomic number is 11 and the mass number is the 23. And here it contain 11 protons and it contain 12 neutrons, but it contain only 10 electrons. It contain only 10 electrons. So how to calculate the number of electrons? So number of electrons, how to calculate the number of electrons? Number of electrons is equal to the atomic number minus charge. And here the charge of the sodium is the only plus. So the atomic number is the 11 minus 1. So that equal to the 10. So the number of electrons containing the sodium is the 10. And next one, anion. Once you can look at here, it is the nitrogen atom. And here it is the nitride ion. And what is the difference between the nitrogen atom and nitride ion? And nitrogen atom, it contain atomic number is the 7 and the mass number is the 14. And the nitrogen atom, it contain 7 protons and 7 neutrons and 7 electrons. But whereas in the nitride ion, and here it contain number of protons, and here 7, 14. Number of protons are the, how much number of protons are there here? It is the 7. And neutrons 7 and electrons. How many electrons are there? So already they have the 7 protons, 7 electrons. So total 3. So total number of electrons are the 10 electrons. So that is the atomic number. Atomic number is equal to the 7 minus 3. That equal to 10. So they have the 10 protons. Okay, students. Next one is the compound. Compounds mainly they have so many types, but here I am explaining only 2 types of compound. One is the ionic compound, second one is the covalent compound. One is the ionic compound and the second one is the covalent compound. Ionic compound, for example, here I am taking sodium chloride NaCl. It is the example of ionic compound. And I am taking water is the covalent compound. In ionic compound is formed by the combination of metal and non-metal. Metal and non-metal. In the ionic compound is formed by the metal and non-metal. 99% ionic compound is formed by the metal and non-metal. Whereas in the covalent compound is formed by the non-metal and non-metal. Both are the non-metal. And ionic bond is formed by the transfer of electrons. Ionic bond is formed by the transfer of electrons. Covalent bond is formed by the sharing of electrons. For example, here I am taking carbon monoxide and calcium oxide. In the carbon monoxide is a molecular compound and calcium oxide is a ionic compound. Carbon monoxide is a molecular compound and calcium oxide is an example of ionic compound. Okay students, next one is differences between molecule and compound. Molecule and compound. So what is the molecule and what is a compound? And a molecule is a group of two atoms or more atoms. Molecule is nothing but the combination of two or more same or the different atoms. Okay, molecule is nothing but the combination of two or more atoms. Okay students, and all the molecules are not a compound. All the molecules are not a compound. For example, O2, oxygen molecule, O3, ozone molecule, chlorine molecule. So all the molecules are not a compound. Once again I am repeating, a molecule is a group of two atoms or more atoms held together by the chemical bond or the covalent bond. Whereas in the compound, a compound is formed by the two or more different type of element which are united chemically in the fixed ratio and elements in the compounds they are combined together with the fixed ratio. These are simply called, it is the compound. For example, sodium chloride is a compound, calcium carbonate is a compound. Okay students, and all the compounds are the molecules. All the compounds are the molecule. All the compounds are the molecule, but all the molecules are not a compounds. Thank you students. If you like my video, give me the like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.